So in this tutorial, we are going to use a website in order to download OpenStreetMap data. So Google Hot OSM, or simply click on the link under the description below. We are clicking on this first result. You will be redirected to this homepage of the hotosm.org website. So after that, click on Tools and Data. You will be again redirected to this page. Again, click on Tools and Data. So you will get this page. So from here, we are going to click on Export Tool. And you will get this page where you need to click on Start Exporting. After that, you will be asked to log into your OpenStreetMap profile. If you don't have a profile, just click on Register Now and just enter your email, your username, and your password, and you will simply create your OpenStreetMap profile. After entering your login data, you will be redirected to this page. So from here, we are going to import our data. So to start, you need to name your project. Let's name it, for example, map. And after that, we are going to click on format. You can choose the format of your data. You have a lot of format to choose from. For this example, we are going to download a shapefile. We'll select it, and I will deselect GeoJSON. And after that, we will go to data. And in here, you can choose the data that you want. A lot of data to choose from, like commercial, communication, education, financial. Go, for example, and choose the transportation data. So in this step, we need to specify the area that we want to get the data from. So for me, I will go, for example, to Paris, and I will select this small alias. So to select your area, you can draw a box like this by clicking and dragging. You can also draw like this. You can download all this view by clicking on this view. And finally, you can import your own. So for me, I will, for example, draw box here. And that's it. Now I will just click on Summary. And after that, click on Create Export. So at the end, you will get this result. Just click on this link in order to get your zip file. Specify where you want to save your file and then click on Save. So at the end of the download, you will get this zip file. Right click on it and then click on Extract here in order to unzip it. Now I will go ahead and import this data inside of a GIS software. So I will use ArcGIS Pro. Go to Map and then click on Add Data and then click on Data. So navigate to your work folder and you can see here that I got 3 files. I will select them and then I will click on OK. Because I selected transportation, I just got this data. So I hope that you got some useful information from this tutorial. If so, please like it and subscribe if you want to get more tutorials.